Hi guys, it is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. I'm very excited to announce the arrival of some parts for our project car, Porsche Cayenne 2009. So look what is coming on. Look at that. Look at that, we're full of parts. As I promised you, we're gonna do an overhaul, front and rear, all the suspension, all the links, everything. So have a look what is coming on. We're gonna do a small unboxing just to have a taste of what's coming. And look at that, look at that. A full kit for the front. Full kit for the front. And for the rear, this is for the rear one. So we have upper and lower arms. We have all the bushes, rear stabilizer bush. We have the links, left and right, upper and lower, all brand new. And we're gonna change everything. We're gonna make this car runs like new. And there's more. Let me show you. That's for the rear. That's the rear kit. So we're going up. We have next this one. Great thanks to all suppliers that they helped us to find exactly what we need for this car. Yeah, when I told them that we're doing something like that, they were very helpful and they sent everything. This is for the front wishbones. We have also the lower arm, all brand new. With even they send us, look at that, they send us brand new adjustable. This needs to be new when you change those links. So we have everything right here. This is upper and lower arm for the front, left and right. We have more. For the front, we have also, look at that, new tie rods, brand new tie rods. We're gonna change, as I said, we're gonna change everything. The car will be new, left and right. Because as soon as you start, you know, doing something like that, it's really worth it to change everything because you're gonna dismantle everything. So we also have ball bearings. All the car has 190,000 Ks. The manufacturer says you don't need to change the ball bearings if you don't need to. I mean, if you don't see that there is any worn, if you feel that it is okay, you don't need to change. But at the end of the day, we're gonna overhaul the whole thing. So I was thinking that it is a good idea to change the ball bearings. It's good to do that. So we have all the very good quality parts. As you can see here, this SKF, all the very good parts. Let me show you what we have right here. You're gonna be very excited with that. I was very excited when I saw that. And trust me, you're gonna be very excited. Look at that. Look at that. That's the crown of the jewel. Look at that. Trust me. It is Brembo. All the rotors, front and rear, of course left and right, okay? These are all Brembo parts. original Brembo parts, not fakes. And these are the premium, the prime brake discs, which they are UV coated. Look at that, no rust, forever. That's UV coated Brembo discs. Original Brembo. Okay, so, and of course, you can have Brembo calibers, which we are, I'm very happy that this car has all Brembo front and rear. And we're gonna treat it as we should with the original Brembo ceramic brake pads. And look at that, they are coming like that. These are for the rear, and they also come with these. That's very nice. And of course, the appropriate grease. Look at the package. Isn't it stunning? Look at this. All Brembo, original. Thanks to the guys from down south that they help us to choose exactly what we need for our car. That's going to be a big journey. We're going to change everything. As you can see, we have everything in stock. We are waiting for some stuff. It wasn't very easy to source them out here in Australia, because I was trying to get a repair kit, you know, all the seals and everything for the calipers, front and rear, because as you can see over here, they are quite worn. I don't like that for the car, so we need to change everything. We ordered this one. We have the bleeders. So now we will take them out completely and repaint them. We're not going to do powder coating because we're doing something more easier for our DIY friends here in Australia. But of course you can send them for coating, powder coating. So we also have rubber sealants for the tie rods, and they're all very good. You know, Lemferder, it is first supplier for Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, and all these guys. But the good thing, it is this. These are the rotors for the front with the brake pads for the front wheels. All Brembo. Look at that, magnificent. Prime discs, UV coated for Cayenne. It's so nice when you're restoring a car and you're using the right stuff. That's for the front. And of course the front brake pads are big, and I'm saying they're big. You can see the difference. Look at that. Look at that, how big they are. Look at that. Oh my God. Brembo. I love Brembo. Very reputable company. So, and for the end today, I have something that I believe that you're gonna like. Let me show you. As I promised you, full of new stuff. That's the Air One performance suspension. new coilovers, front and rear. And look at that. That's the one. Front, fully adjustable, brand new. As you can see, you can adjust the height over here, and right up on top you can adjust the damping, how soft you want it or how hard you want it. Isn't it exciting? These two are for the front. And these are for the rear. So like, subscribe, let us know what would you like to take attention to more. We're gonna have all the links for the special tools that are required to do that job. It is a DIY job when you have actually the knowledge to do that. It's not an easy job. It's not going to be an easy job. You have to have experience with cars, and because this is a big car, be careful when you change the shock absorbers. Be careful the tension. If you change only the struts, be careful when you do that. Take all the precautions required, and that's why we order it straight away just like that. So we're gonna take out these 4 bolts and just put it on the car. That's the easier and the safest way. Just be careful, we are talking for a big car, and you need lots of experience to do any work on that. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on part 3.